Hello students, my name is Zahid Munir. I am ACCA online tutor. Today our topic is on markup or margin. Okay, first of all we have to look on the margin. Margin or markup both are called profits. Okay, like if I say that there is margin, or I say that there is a markup, so it means that I am discussing the profit. Okay, so what is profit? So when we deduct cost of sales from the sales, we can get gross profit. So I will give you example to illustrate how markup and margin works to calculate sales or cost of sales or gross profit. Okay, two things will be given, two type of data will be given to you, like they will give you sales and they will ask you to find cost of sales. Okay, or they may give you cost of sales and markup or margin, and they will ask you to calculate sales. So now first of all we will look margin. So the basic example that you keep in your mind is that sales less cost of sales is equal to GP. Okay, like I have said that I have to calculate a margin. They have given you a margin at always at sales. Keep in mind, that is a key point. So you have to suppose they have given you sales. Suppose it's $100,000 and they have given you margin 10%. Okay, so it's simple. You have they have provided you sales, so margin is always on sales. You will calculate 10% of 100,000, so you will find this will be the answer. Okay, this is fine. You have calculated the gross profit. The trick is there that they have not provided you sales. They will give you cost of sales. That is pretty much. So here the concept applies. They have provided you sales, suppose $100, cost of sales, suppose they have provided you cost of sales 200 and margin is 10%. So if they skip that one, you have to find that. What will you do? You have to put sales less cost of sales is equal to GP. So you have to put GP 10%. So if they have provided you sales, you can calculate by this way. But now they don't have provided you sales. They have provided you cost of sales like $200. So you have to fulfill. You have to keep in mind that in a margin the gross profit is always on sales. So we will put sales as 100%. And you have to calculate missing percentage. If we deduct 80% from 100%, we will 90% from 100%, we will get 10%. So this couple is completed. So we will use 200 divided by 90 multiplied by 100. Okay, that is 90%, and you have to find 100%. So you will get answer. Yes, if we solve this, so we can get 22, this one. So if you will put here 22.2200.22, you will find GP. So by this way you have find your gross profit. Let's see, you can find it directly. 200 divided by 90% multiplied by gross profit, that is 10%. Okay, so you can get it directly. So now we have find that from gross profit, we can find gross profit by deducting sales less cost of sales. So if the data is provided just relating to cost of sales, then they will miss the sales. You have to find the sales by using the gross profit margin rate. Okay, now look up another example. If they have provided like 4,000 cost and sales is missing, you have to find, and gross profit is 20%. They said that is margin. Okay, margin. So if they had provided us sales, we can calculate 20% of that sales, like we can find gross profit. But here there is a trick that they missed the sale. So you have to write the equation, sales less cost of sale is equal to GP, gross profit. So that is 20%. So this is an example of margin. So margin is always at sales. So you can put sales 100%. So 80% will be deducted from here, that is missing. And they have also provided cost for 1,000. So that is completed. So you can put that and find the missing figure. If you want to find sales, you will multiply by 100, and if you have to find gross profits, you can multiply by 20%. Okay, so now calculate it. 5,000 $5,000. So you can put here 5,000 and deduct 4,000, you will find gross profit 1,000. Yes, you can find it directly. How? By this one. You have to calculate this one. Okay, so in a nutshell, we looked at they have provided us a margin. So margin is always on sale. So you have to keep in mind that it is always on sale. So you have to put sales as 100%. By this, you can find any missing figure. So thank you. And in my next video, I will tell you about markup, how the concept of markup is used.